Hi, in this demo, I will demonstrate how NextLabs SkyDRM integrates seamlessly with 7-Zip. SkyDRM Desktop's trusted application feature enables seamless, out-of-the-box support for 7-Zip, allowing users to view and work with protected archives in accordance with their assigned usage rights. This integration enhances productivity and ensures secure access while maintaining an uninterrupted workflow. In this demo, we set the classification category with confidential and secret labels. We configure the following policies for this demo. John Tyler from CipherEdge has full control on confidential data. John Tyler from CipherEdge has view, watermark on secret data. Jimmy Carter from Technova has view, edit, watermark on confidential data. We will use native 7-Zip file types, 7Z and Zip, in this demo. Now, let's look at the use case for the demo. In this use case, we will demonstrate the following. Jimmy Carter cannot open a protected 7Z file labeled secret. John Tyler can open a protected 7Z file labeled secret and view the watermark. John Tyler cannot add or delete files as he has no edit permission, cannot extract, copy, or move files as he has no extract permission, and cannot capture the screen as he has no screen capture permission. Jimmy Carter can open a protected .zip file labeled confidential and view the watermark. Jimmy Carter can add or delete files as he has edit permission, however he cannot extract or copy or move the files since he has no extract permission. He also cannot capture the screen as he has no screen capture permission. John Tyler can open a protected .zip file labeled confidential. John Tyler can add or delete files as he has edit permission. He can extract or copy or move the files as he has extract permission. He also can capture the screen as he has screen capture permission. Now, let's move into the demo. I have prepared protected archives for this demonstration. I am signed into SkyDRM Desktop as Jimmy Carter. I will navigate to C Drive, Work Area, My Project, Secret. Let's check the file information of the 7Z secret file using SkyDRM View File Info. Here, we see that the file classification is secret and I do not have any permission on this file. Now, let's attempt to open the file. As you can see, I receive an access denied message. This is as expected since Jimmy Carter has no access rights to secret data. Next, I will sign into SkyDRM as John Tyler. I will navigate to the same folder. When I check the file information for 7Z secret file using SkyDRM View File Info, we see that the file classification is secret. And I have view permission with a watermark. Now, let's open the 7Z secret file. Upon double-clicking the file, it opens automatically in 7-Zip with the overlay watermark visible. Next, I will attempt to delete a file from inside the archive. As you can see, I receive a SkyDRM notification. You don't have permission to perform this operation. This means that the operation failed. When I attempt to drag and drop a file out to my desktop to extract it, I receive a permission error. Finally, I will try to capture the screen using a snipping tool. The screenshot appears to be completely black. These behaviors are expected, as John Tyler does not have edit, extract, or screen capture permissions on secret files. Now, let's log into SkyDRM Desktop for Windows as Jimmy Carter and navigate to C Drive, Work Area, My Project, Confidential. Let's check the file information of the 7Z confidential file using SkyDRM View File Info. Here, we see that the file classification is confidential. And Jimmy Carter has the view and edit permissions on the file as well as a watermark. Let's open the 7Z confidential file.zip. Upon double-clicking the file, it opens successfully with a watermark. Since Jimmy Carter has edit permission, let's make some modifications to the file by deleting an old text file from inside the archive. Let's also try to add a new file, 7importantinformation.txt. I will close the 7-zip and reopen it again. This time, the deleted file is not there anymore, and we can see the newly added text file. Now let's try to extract the entire archive to a folder. As you can see, a SkyDRM notification pops up, and the operation is blocked because Jimmy Carter does not have extract permission. Let's try to take a screen capture using a snipping tool. Here, we can see that screen capture is disabled as the result of the screenshot is a black screen. Lastly, let's log into SkyDRM desktop as John Tyler and check the file information for 7z confidential file.zip by using SkyDRM view file info. As you can see, the file classification is confidential, and I have full control over the file. Let's open the file. The file opens successfully without a watermark. Because John Tyler has full control on confidential data. Let's make some modifications. I will try to add a file, 6confidentialdata.docs, to the archive. The file is successfully added. Next, let's try to extract the contents to my desktop. As you can see, the files are successfully extracted. Now I will attempt to take a screenshot of the 7-zip window file. You can see that I am able to take a screenshot without any restrictions. Let's close the 7z confidential file.zip and reopen it again. As you can see, the added files are still there. With this, we conclude our demo on SkyDRM integration with 7-zip. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in learning more about secure collaboration using E-DRM, please subscribe to the NextLabs channel and stay tuned for other videos on the topic.